Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I'm so excited to be filming again. It has been a minute, but I finally got my camera back. It was broken and it is finally done. I have been wanting to try this routine that I'm about to show you guys, but I wanted to film it, so I didn't try it yet, and I've been waiting and waiting like 2 weeks. I bought this stuff literally the day before my camera died, and I'm only trying it out today. So I'm gonna be trying the Camille Rose Honeycomb Curl Whip Texture Defining Super Cream. This is gonna be a one product styling routine, and I feel like this has a lot of potential to be a really good one styler. Like if something's called a super cream, I'm just thinking it's gonna get the job done. So this is the one product I'm gonna be using today. And then I know I'm super late to this, but I finally picked up this Tangle Teezer comb. I've seen a lot of curly girls use this to get super defined curls, and I felt like it'd be perfect to use with a one styler so that I have that extra definition. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So this is the teasing comb. It looks super cool. It's obviously meant to tease your hair and give your hair more volume, but I'm gonna be using it today to define my curls. So let's just get into it. I did want to style on damp hair specifically because I want to have some more volume in my hair, but I think it's just a little bit too dry, so I'm adding some more water. And I actually did do a mask in my hair today when I was in the shower. I used the Shea Moisture, I think it's Curl and Shine mask, just so that my hair was kind of prepped really nicely for a one styler routine. So I'm definitely going to be sectioning my hair to apply the product, and we're going to go ahead and try this Honeycomb Curl Whip. It says it's a defining super cream infused with honey and nettle, crafted to boost shine, eliminate frizz, and holds styles in place. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that smells super good. It literally just smells like honey. I was not expecting that. That smells so good. And I've also never used or bought anything from Camille Rose. This is literally like my first time buying something from their brand, so I hope I really like this. But this smells so good. Oh my gosh. It kind of smells like butterscotch. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply. The cream is super thick, so I'm definitely not going to saturate my hair too much because I don't want it to be weighed down. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I'm gonna try and find like a good balance since I'm not putting any other products in it. I have not sat down and filmed a YouTube video in like over 3 weeks, I feel like, and it feels so weird, but hopefully we get back into the swing of things now that I got my camera. I also finished my spring semester, so I'm doing summer, but I have at least a week where I don't have any class, so I'm gonna try to pump out some content and have multiple videos up hopefully this week. And I'm filming this on Tuesday. It's May 10th. And my plan is to film, edit, and upload today. So if you see this video today on May 10th, be proud of me. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Tangle Teezer. And I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use it. I'm gonna see how it works by just running it through. Let's see what this does. Okay. I'm gonna see what happens if I do the little twist motion that I do with the normal Tangle Teezer. So usually I like to do this, and that gives me a really nice little spiral. Okay, so I'm just going to be running the comb through my hair, and then once I get to the bottom, I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist, and that's it. We're going to see how that works for my hair. I don't want to do the whole brush handle curl because I just feel like it's going to look the same as the regular Tangle Teezer that I use, and I'm hoping, I don't know, hoping I get some sort of different result. Okay, we're gonna do another section. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this curl whip, or what is your favorite Camille Rose product. Is there any products that you think I should try next? But every time I put more product in my hand, I'm literally just putting the tiniest bit just to add some more moisture around the areas that I need it, just so that I don't have any frizz, especially like at the crown of my head. I definitely feel like this is going to be a really good wash day. My hopes are super high. And this cream is super nice and buttery. It also has that little bit of tackiness in it, so I can see how it can hold your style in place. Like if you have braids or if you're doing twists or something, I feel like this would be the perfect cream. And I'm just going to repeat that same styling process for the rest of my hair, and I'm probably going to just fast forward through the rest of the styling process. I've also been loving a side part now that my hair is getting longer, and I have been a middle part girl forever. Even when my hair was longer before, I just always wear my hair in the middle part, but I really like the way my hair looks with the side part right now. Basically almost done. I just have to do this front section. Gonna add a little bit more product before I start using the comb. But this was a super quick routine. This is why I love one product style routines, because they save you so much time. And a little tip, if you want to save time on your wash and go, which it's just, I guess, better use of your time, not really saving time, but don't style your hair until it's damp so that when it's done styling, it dries quicker. So for me, I'll wash my hair and then I like to get dressed, do my makeup and all that stuff. So by the time I sit down to style, my hair is damp, and then that way it'll dry quicker when the product is in it. And also I feel like you get more volume when you style your hair while it's damp versus like soaking wet. So that is just a little tip if you want a faster kind of wash and go and more voluminous hair on day one. Let me know if you guys have used this little teaser comb down below, and how do you use it? Do you use it the way that I'm using it? Or do you like use a different technique to define your curls? So I am pretty much done styling. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this product in my hands, like literally the tiniest bit, maybe a little bit more, like that much. And then I'm going to scrunch my hair because I haven't done that really while I was styling. So I'm gonna give it one last really good scrunch. And these are what my curls are looking like up close. This is a really cute ringlet right here. And then this is what the other side is looking like. So I'm just gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit, and then I'll be back to diffuse. Okay, I'm back and I'm going to start diffusing my hair, but first I'm gonna be putting in some heat protectant, which is a step that I probably should do more often, but I just always forget to do it. But I'm gonna be using the Giovanni Rapid Blow Dry Shield and Style Spray. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of this all over. I just sprayed that in my face. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start diffusing. I'm just gonna hover around my hair first, and then I'll start scrunching. Now that my hair is completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of separate some of these bigger clumps. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my hands. I'm using my Mielle hair oil. This is the rosemary mint one. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my hands. So I have some pretty big and juicy curls, like this one up here. I have some more over here. But I'm gonna go ahead and separate them so that I can get a little bit more volume. And then of course I'm just going to shake it out. So here are what my curls are looking like. Even after separating them and fluffing them out, I still have really, really good definition. And I barely have any frizz. Like, I barely see any frizz. There's like a little section right here, but besides that, this is pretty good. I really think this cream did what it said it was gonna do, and I'm super happy with my results right now. Like, this is one product. No leave-in creams, no gel, no mousse, literally nothing besides this cream. And as long as my hair doesn't get super frizzy over the next few days, I feel like day 2 and 3 are gonna look even better. So I 100% recommend this product. If you have not tried it, you should definitely try it out, and I'll link it down below, as well as this little Tangle Teezer comb. I don't know how I feel about it really. I honestly feel like I probably would have got the same results if I used the regular Tangle Teezer. Maybe there's a specific way that I need to try using it instead of just the way that I did. Definitely let me know if there's a different method I should try, and I'll give this another shot, or maybe even do like a comparison, one side with the comb, one side with the regular Tangle Teezer. So this is going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. I feel like this one's going to be a little bit short, but I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things now that I have my camera back, so I'm gonna try to film more consistently. So definitely subscribe if you are not already, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye.